A managed logging zone comes into view as machinery fells a mature hardwood, showing controlled extraction rather than untouched forest. Mechanized delimbers strip branches from the trunk in one pass, producing a clean log ready for loading and transport. Fully loaded trucks move slowly through forest haul roads, carrying raw logs from harvest zones to processing facilities. Chain conveyors pull raw logs from yard storage into the mill, forcing alignment through controlled impacts and constant mechanical pressure. Logs enter rotating debarking drums where steel ribs and friction strip bark through continuous impact and abrasion. Sensors measure length and diameter as logs rotate into position, locking each piece precisely for the first breakdown cut. High-tension bandsaws split aligned logs into thick slabs, cutting continuously while sawdust is extracted at full volume. Removed bark is separated from clean logs and redirected for fuel or byproduct use, while stripped timber continues forward. Dried boards enter planers where rotating cutter heads remove surface irregularities and bring material to final thickness. Optimization saws remove defect zones precisely, maximizing usable wood while keeping the production line moving. Fresh slabs transfer immediately to trimming stations, where rough edges are removed to stabilize dimensions. Multi-rip saws slice each slab into multiple boards in a single pass, maximizing yield through parallel cutting blades. Boards are separated at speed as flawed material is diverted automatically, allowing acceptable lumber to continue uninterrupted. Boards are stacked onto kiln carts with spacers to allow airflow, then pushed into sealed chambers for controlled drying. Inside the kiln, heated air circulates continuously, removing moisture from the wood over long cycles without rapid surface damage. After drying, kiln doors open and boards exit warmer, lighter, and dimensionally stable, ready for finishing operations. Calibration rollers and laser sensors verify thickness continuously, diverting boards that fall outside tolerance. Optimization saws remove defect zones precisely, maximizing usable wood while keeping the production line moving.
Protective coatings are applied evenly by spray systems, enhancing durability while excess finish is removed through extraction.
Boards are labeled with grade, size, and batch data, enabling digital tracking throughout storage and shipment.
Packaged lumber is loaded onto trucks and dispatched, completing the industrial journey from forest to finished product.